The ARCA Board, developed by ARCA Space Corporation, is a breakthrough in personal aviation that brings the back-to-the-future dream of a hoverboard into reality. Unlike magnetic hoverboards that require special surfaces, the ARCA board can fly over any terrain, including water, snow, and rocks. The latest technical details reveal a powerhouse of engineering. It is equipped with 36 high-power electric ducted fans that produce up to 272 kilograms, 600 pounds of thrust, equivalent to roughly 272 horsepower. This allows it to lift a person and hover at heights of up to 1 foot. The board is constructed from high-grade composite materials, keeping its weight at approximately 82 kilograms, though it remains a bulky, rectangular unit compared to traditional skateboards. Max speed, 20 kilometers per hour, 12.5 miles per hour. Flight time, approximately 6 minutes, limited by current battery density. The WALKCAR, developed by Coco Motors in Japan, is a revolutionary personal mobility device often described as a car in a bag. Roughly the size of a 13-inch laptop, it is the world's smallest electric vehicle, designed to bridge the gap between walking and public transit. The latest 2024-2025 updates focus on refined control and enhanced portability. Built with a high-grade carbon fiber and aluminum chassis, the WALKCAR weighs only 2.9 kilograms, 6.4 pounds, making it light enough to slide into a backpack. It features a unique surface pressure sensor deck. There are no handles or remotes. Instead, you steer by shifting your center of gravity, leaning forward to accelerate, back to brake, and side to side to turn. The Jetfoiler is a premium electric hydrofoil, e-foil, developed by Kai Concepts, the team led by legendary windsurfing champion Don Montague. The latest details for 2025 and 2026 highlight its evolution into a more refined, user-friendly, yet high-performance watercraft designed for flying above the water surface. Unlike standard surfboards, the Jetfoiler uses a submerged wing, hydrofoil, and an electric motor. As the board gains speed, the foil generates lift, raising the board completely out of the water. This eliminates drag, allowing for a silent, smooth, and incredibly efficient ride even in choppy conditions. The Scania S730 Minitruck, often referred to by its creator, Scaled Rigs, as the scaled-down version, is an extraordinary engineering feat that blurs the line between a high-end toy and a legitimate microvehicle. Created by Irish design engineer Wayne Oshmuty, it is a 1:2 scale replica of the full-size Scania S-Series flagship. The latest 2025 or 2026 iterations feature incredible technical precision. These are not simple plastic shells. They are built on a CNC laser-cut stainless steel chassis with functional axles and pneumatic 6-ply tires powertrain, a 24V electric motor system that provides high torque, comparable to a mobility scooter, and a top speed of roughly 6 km per hour for safety. Functionality: it features a working fifth wheel, allowing it to tow custom-made mini-trailers or tankers. It even includes an ECU-managed sound system that mimics the iconic Scania V8 engine roar. The Unit Surf Pool is a revolutionary stationary wave invention that brings high-performance surfing to almost any body of water, from lakes and rivers to existing swimming pools. Unlike traditional wave pools that require massive land excavation and complex plumbing, the Unit Surf Pool is a floating system that uses the natural water source it sits in. Latest details and technology: the system uses high-powered pumps to push water over a patented ramp, creating a deep water standing wave that mimics the physics of a river wave. The The latest 2024-2025 updates focus on energy efficiency and scalability. The wave can be adjusted in height and volume, making it suitable for everyone from beginners to professional surfers using real surfboards with fins. Eco-friendly. It requires no water treatment or chemicals, as it utilizes the existing ecosystem's water. The Frikar, developed by the Norwegian company YikeBike, is a revolutionary velomobile that bridges the gap between a bicycle and a car. Designed to make cycling viable in any weather, the latest 2024-2025 updates focus on the official rollout and refinement of its unique drive-by-wire technology. Unlike traditional bikes, the Frikar has no greasy chains. Instead, the rider pedals a generator, which sends power electronically to dual motors in the rear wheels. This allows for a comfortable, seated position inside a fully enclosed, aerodynamic canopy. All-weather comfort. The canopy protects riders from rain, wind, and snow, with optional heating and ventilation systems now being optimized for extreme climates. The Hillstrike SnowTrike is a revolutionary winter vehicle designed to bring the precision and thrill of mountain biking to the ski slopes. Engineered in Slovenia, the latest REV model represents the pinnacle of SnowTrike technology, featuring a patented parallelogram linkage system that allows the trike to lean into curves just like a traditional downhill bike. Built on a high-grade aluminum frame, the Hillstrike is equipped with custom-designed skis featuring safety wood cores and specialized metal edges for superior grip on icy terrain. One of its standout features is the high-end RockShox front suspension, which absorbs bumps and jumps, providing a smooth ride even in rugged alpine conditions. Unlike traditional ski bikes, the Hillstrike utilizes a 3-ski configuration, one in front, two in back, that provides incredible stability for both beginners and professional freestyle riders. The Scewo Bro is a revolutionary Swiss-engineered power wheelchair that combines self-balancing technology with the extraordinary ability to climb stairs. Developed by Scewo AG, the latest updates focus on refined software and expanded global availability. Unlike traditional wheelchairs, the Scewo Bro operates on 2 large wheels for agile, compact maneuvering in everyday environments, much like a Segway. When it encounters a staircase, it deploys integrated rubber tracks that allow it to safely and smoothly ascend or descend stairs with gradients up to 36 degrees. This eliminates the need for ramps or elevators in many inaccessible locations. Self-balancing uses advanced sensors to keep the seat level at all times, even on slopes or stays. Elevating seat. The seat can be raised to an eye-level position, facilitating face-to-face conversations or reaching high shelves. The XEV LSEV, low-speed electric vehicle, is a groundbreaking innovation from the Italian-based startup XEV in partnership with Polymaker. It represents a radical shift in automotive manufacturing, being the first electric vehicle designed for mass production using 3D printing technology. The latest details on this vehicle highlight its incredible efficiency. Virtually all visible parts of the car, excluding the chassis, seats, and glass, are 3D printed. This process reduces the number of components from over 2,000 in a traditional car to just 57, significantly lowering the vehicle's weight to around 450 kilograms. Speed and range. Designed for urban commuting, it has a top speed of 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour, and an impressive city range of up to 150 kilometers, 93 miles, on a single charge. Orbitwheels are a unique cross between a skateboard and inline skates, designed for maneuverability and portability. Often described as sideways skates, they consist of two independent large hoops that encircle your feet. The latest iterations focus on refined ergonomics and durability. Each wheel features a large diameter rubber tire that rotates around a central platform where the rider stands. Unlike traditional skates, there is no frame or strap. You simply step into the wheels and use a wave-like leg motion to generate momentum, similar to riding a ripstick or caster board. Materials. Modern versions utilize high-strength reinforced plastics and improved ball bearings for a smoother, quieter glide. The RYNO microcycle is one of the most distinctive personal transportation inventions of the last decade, often described as a one-wheeled electric motorcycle. Invented by Chris Hoffman after his daughter sketched a one-wheeled bike she saw in a video game, the RYNO utilizes advanced self-balancing gyroscopic technology, similar to a Segway, to stay upright, while the RYNO gained massive viral attention for its sleek, sci-fi aesthetic and impressive engineering. The project has faced significant production hurdles. Currently, the RYNO is considered a collector's item and a proof of concept rather than a mass-market vehicle. Speed, governed at 10 miles per hour, 16 kilometers per hour to allow it to be classified as a personal mobility device suitable for sidewalks. Range, approximately 15 miles, 24 kilometers, on a single charge of its swappable lithium-ion battery. Operation. The rider leans forward to accelerate and leans back to decelerate. Steering is intuitive through subtle body shifts. The INMOTION V12 HT High Torque is a heavy-duty evolution of the original V12, specifically engineered for riders who prioritize climbing ability and rapid acceleration over pure top speed. It remains one of the most popular 16-inch do-it-all electric unicycles, EUCs, on the market today. Latest technical details. The HT version features a reinforced motor capable of a peak power output of 5,000 W, producing a massive 188 Nm of torque. This allows it to tackle inclines of up to 45 degrees, making it a favorite for off-road trails and hilly urban environments. While the top speed is slightly lower than the high-speed HS version, it still comfortably reaches 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour. It is powered by a 1750 WH battery, providing a real-world range of approximately 40 to 60 miles depending on riding style. A standout feature is the integrated touchscreen display on the top of the unit, allowing riders to adjust settings like pedal softness and lighting without needing a smartphone app. The Raam Easy Sport Small is a specialized recumbent tricycle designed specifically for children and smaller adults, approximately 132 centimeters to 150 centimeters in height, who require extra stability and comfort without sacrificing a sporty feel. The latest models emphasize ergonomic customization and advanced pedal assist technology. The standout feature of the Easy Sport Small is its low seating position and forward pedaling motion. This design significantly reduces strain on the back, neck, and shoulders while lowering the center of gravity for maximum stability. The underseat steering provides a relaxed arm position, making it highly maneuverable for riders with varying physical abilities. Smart app integration. The e-bike version connects to the Raam app, allowing parents or riders to monitor battery status, change support modes, and track GPS locations. The YikeBike remains one of the most unique personal mobility inventions, often described as a modern, electric reimagining of the classic penny-farthing. Designed in New Zealand, the latest iterations continue to push the boundaries of ultra-portable urban transport. The standout feature of the YikeBike is its unconventional seating position, where the rider sits upright with their hands on handlebars located behind them at hip level. This design offers a high field of vision and excellent maneuverability in crowded city environments. Performance: it reaches a top speed of 23 km per hour, 14.3 miles per hour, with a range of approximately 14 to 20 km per charge, depending on the battery configuration. The Sniejik Freeride is a revolutionary Russian-made electric snow bike designed for extreme winter mobility and recreation. Merging the agility of a motocross bike with the terrain-conquering power of a snowmobile, it stands out as one of the most compact and capable snowmoto inventions on the market. Latest details and performance. The Freeride model is built for deep powder and steep inclines. It features a high-torque electric motor that allows for near-silent operation, making it an eco-friendly alternative to loud, gas-guzzling snowmobiles. The latest versions are equipped with a modular battery system, offering a range of up to 50 to 80 kilometers, depending on snow conditions and temperature, and the ability to operate in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. Lightweight construction, weighing significantly less than a traditional snowmobile. It is easy to transport in a standard SUV or van.